Hey everyone! Ay ngasi Oman Airways ki cabin crew ki uniform try tawzage ado mayam yengminasi. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wanderlust Ita by Syria. If you're watching my video for the first time, I ming Syria kauzai. I cabin crew ki matang da lifestyle and travel ki matang da I keno semzai blog semzai. I visit Paris de laye do I ngasi se imanabi ma layover la e man numin humni mug layover la e yam sange ko. Ada magi uniform se mana aina keno my uniform that I tried to get this in a different set of muporo habda. She got me a different set of uniform set of mupovira a yankalakiko. So I'm gonna try that uniform. So this is uniforms the layer machuse as they can on epico glue. I mogi sigi or manierski uniforms are no one ampazego my machuse. So I'm gonna try that uniform now. I use makeup handles again. I already my tatoga moisturizer ke ka hana taigre foundation data I just light makeup on a basic makeup on the tower get you know the flight chat on a tonina flight chat basic makeup toiga so I'm gonna use the Fenty foundation there. Yamna light on a tozag toga hitiko just don't light on a toga. I could not do because I don't have kanoy out of a poche lumpurateba in the game. Yeah, consider cartation zero subset. I did like all answer. You know, consider. Sige kiko so yamna nungai kino home trek so honge adum duga khoi thaina ko or kana kano Europe ta any layover ta se we always buy kiko magi makeup ki de ka aduga nung yam nungai se na batu hong so hong do so dina ka na to di mai ngata kana doraga lai to okay I did matte brown di kano se akogi kano se agi mit se kano na arangba thaba dun ta tongkhat leba duga phajateba tonga kanda adusna I say mostly kano thai matte or machu se duga akogi mida kaiba akogi mit kuba kangu se tawani ko arangba thaba se mit tongkhat pane Wiki man we say look like bung dagina koi hana flight terminal me China jere visitor kana Bangalore base ki and male overlap for the dinner awe khudung ga na hade khong na hade gi ne chat pa koi ba ko ibani khong na ba da ngasi tum hawala pa ngarang ju tum hawala pa ne khong jik to khunna ma chaman ba gi lam do yingning bani na ai ju dum Paris se pula udri ba ko aduga Eiffel Tower se dum hanjin hanjin ki chatning bani ma do I am gonna know it, but still there is something about Eiffel Tower I am not dreamy way. Maybe a little higher. You go, blush on. Yeah. I forgot the blush on. Bijumse, manarundre. Mascara po bakore. I dahangi mo je Librana, so I lipstick on target. This is my I use Sephora lipstick. Haina red lipstick am taramedo. Haina dress red how is the uniform. Kano is the mogi say one piece dress and then the jacket. Aduga sigi mogi handbag laire, cap laire, scarf ka aduga belt, and then there's the badge there uniform se padari haparai. Ado machuse am na pazai, so I'm gonna try the uniform now. get repair. So this is the uniform. I full utre because I can full lapaya ring. Batch the haptenico. Just one piece this and later go. So and then with the bag. Later and thank you, bye bye. See you in my flight. Okay, bye. So thank you for watching till the end. I hope you like this video and the uniform, of course. I love the color. And bye bye, Crimsary.